Let me show you a feature inside CoderNotepad that can literally save you hours, especially for shops, restaurants, or anyone handling big data daily. Right now, I'm in the Edit menu, and here's something called Split Keep. This tool can be a real game changer. To make it easier to show, I've already saved a transaction file. Let's open it. Now look at this. Transaction ID, name, email, phone, amount, status, date, and the list just keeps going. See how long this is? And this is just a sample. The actual file is much bigger. Now imagine you just need the email column. Manually copying each one, that would take way too much time. This is where Split Keep becomes a total lifesaver. Just go to Edit, click Split Keep, and type the column number you want. Let's say email is in column 4. Boom! You instantly get only the email addresses, all clean and ready. Need just the transaction amounts? Use column 6. And there you go. Only the amount values, no extra work. Instead of wasting time scrolling and copying, CoderNotepad handles it in seconds, clean and fast. Try Split Keep once, you'll never go back.